Morning, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School back down here at the Outfitters Kitchen. And what we're going to do today is we shot a deer the other day and we harvested some backstraps off of that bad boy. And that's about my favorite cut of a deer is the backstraps. And I'm going to show you a real simple way in camp to just use garlic and butter and a little bit of a rub type seasoning that I got from my buddies at Bearded Butcher right here in Ohio. They got seasonings online you can buy. We're going to use their black seasoning today, test it out. We're going to pan fry some of this backstrap. And we're going to have a good lunch here in camp. Stay with me, guys. All right, folks, nothing left but the taste test here. We cut this up into nice bite-sized morsels. Man, wow. That is some fantastic backstrap. Holy cow, that's good. Here goes some. I know you want some. Wow. That's a meal fit for a king right there. So, trying out this new seasoning from the Bearded Butcher right here in Ohio. Guy's got a great YouTube channel, good Instagram, makes his own seasonings and things like that. Sent me a few of them over to try. This is the black seasoning I put on here today, kind of a pre-rub before I cooked it in some garlic and oil. Fantastic. Definitely makes that venison taste awesome. Guys, I appreciate you joining me out here today for this quick video on pan frying up some backstrap and garlic and butter. We used a little bit of pre-rub from my buddies at the Bearded Butcher here. His black seasoning definitely makes this stuff taste fantastic. Can't tell you how good this is. I appreciate your views and I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business. All our sponsor instructors, affiliates, and friends. I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.